In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to verify Bitcoin on Cash App. Before you can deposit, withdraw, or trade Bitcoin on Cash App, your account must first be fully verified. This process doesn't verify Bitcoin itself. It verifies your identity for compliance and security reasons. To begin, open your Cash App. From the home screen, tap on the Money tab, located in the bottom left corner. Next, select Bitcoin or Buy Bitcoin. If your account isn't verified yet, you'll see a message asking you to verify your identity before you can buy or deposit Bitcoin. Tap Verify Account to begin the process. Cash App will now request some personal information, including your email, full legal name, date of birth, and the last 4 digits of your social security number. Make sure you enter accurate information, as Cash App uses this to comply with financial regulations and prevent fraud. Once you've submitted your details, Cash App will review and verify your account. This process typically takes a few minutes, but in some cases it may take up to 24 hours. After your identity is verified, you'll have full access to Bitcoin features inside Cash App. You can now buy, sell, deposit, and withdraw Bitcoin directly from your account. And that's exactly how to verify Bitcoin on Cash App. Follow for more quick Cash App tutorials.